That'll teach you for blowing the windshield and a window out the day before a snowstorm. Mark's got to run this thing back down here to their shed, and it was awful, and it is awful slow. I don't want him to know I'm filming him because he might be a bit pissed like me. Truthfully, I don't care because he's funny. We all get it. We're all in this bullshit together, but that thing's so slow. He's been, facing into it, just using the boom to sort of deflect a bit of the weather. Good times. Winter Wonderland. I'm gonna go plow a bunch of shit out with the old 444 here. He's gonna mess around here with a couple